Hey guys, here I am, Barry, with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio pair, dressing a little immodestly. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track player out of a 70 Cutlass, Oldsmobile Cutlass. This comes from Walt in Saddlebrook, New Jersey, and it was just sent in for, it was running too slow, so we're just going to make sure it runs at the right speed before we send her back. So let's pop her in. End of a song here. End of the song there. Okay, that takes care of that. There's not a whole lot to test on a standalone 8-track. Just make sure it plays, changes tracks, and you got both speakers. So we're good to go. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. That has all my options, their prices, turn time options, and all that other kind of cool stuff. And it'll answer most, if not all, of your questions as you're filling it out. So please do that research before calling me with a bunch of questions. After that, I'm happy to talk to you. And thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Walt, for your business all the way from New Jersey. And we'll see you guys next time.